Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to this 45 special edition. Some of you mailed me and asked me if I have 45 next to the albums. Yes, I do have 45s. And the other question was, how do I clean and storage them? I'll get to that. And if I have some favorites. Yes, I do have that. So, how do I storage the 45s? Some years ago I went to IKEA and looked for a solution to storage my 45s. And I found these wood boxes. They are called Knaggelig. Whoever does their marketing, I like the names sometimes, they're hilarious. So it's Knaggelig, and I did two modifications on it. One important, one not so important is the not so important modification I did was I painted this thing in white because it fits better to my other furniture. Another thing I added, which was for me very important to make sure that the singles, when they are in this box, there are many singles in it, and the last two ones having a lot of pressure, so I didn't want them to get bent. That's why I added this wood cardboard. Wood. However you want to call it. I don't know the English word for it, I'm sorry. So you can get these in every hobby shop, and sometimes they even cut it for you. So when I was there, I made quite a bunch of them, and had some wood glue, and I glued them to these sides. So I hope you can see that. So, and that's how I storage my 45s. I do have a record cleaning machine, so every single, every record, everything I play on my turntable is ultrasonic cleaned. Why I have this machine, and if you want to hear something about record cleaning, I can do that in another video, because there's a whole range of things concerning record cleaning, and everyone has their method and their liquids, and it's an interesting topic. So yeah, and the good thing about this is you can put or storage as many boxes as you want right next to each other. Of course, what you not do is put them, stack them. But I think that would be quite logical to not do that. Like I said, they're ultra clean, and I never use, my love about paper sleeves. I hate them to death. So I have them in not paper sleeves. But sooner or later, I will switch to the vinyl solutions, because I also have things for 45s, and I'm so happy and satisfied with that 12-inch solution. But one thing after another. So, like I said, I can put in some more so you can have a better view. That's how I store them. And so you can easily slip through them, check the records, if you're in the mood for some David Ruffin. Yeah, that's how I store my 45s. Do I have some favorite ones? Yes, I have some I play sometimes, because to be honest with you, I have a love and hate relationship with 45s. Some tracks that were only released on 45s. So the singer went into the studio, recorded 2 songs, and would put on a single. You never heard of them again. Great music, but that's it. So you only have the possibility to get them on 45s. Otherwise, but that's always depending on your settings, on your preference, is when I put a record on my record player, I have to go a few meters back to have furniture to sit on. So actually, if I listen to a single, I prefer to stand next to the record player to listen to it, because otherwise I have to stand up every 3 minutes to switch sides. Yeah, that's my love and hate relationship with 45s. Do I have some special ones? Yeah, I have quite a few. I picked out 5. Like I said, there are some more, but yeah. Let's start with the Natural 4. Natural 4, I did an interview with Chris James when he was in Germany about the group, and I took the opportunity to let him sign a single with a track I heard from many versions, but I really liked that version. It was The Devil Made Me Do It. Was recorded and released on Chess, must have been the mid-70s. This is the side, on the B-side was Give Me a Little Love. I don't think that I ever heard the B-side. But you can get that single. It's a great track. I can't say about Give Me Love, but Natural 4 were a very good singing groups, so I'm pretty sure it's a good track. So you get it for around $10. So, what else? Bobby Hutton. Bobby Hutton, a great story about this artist. He only released one complete album in 1973, I think on ABC Records, which was called Piece of the Action. And afterwards, in 1974, he released a single which was called Loving You, Needing You, Loving You, Wanting You. You can find that one on YouTube. It's a great track. I bought this single because I love the track so much for around $50. And that's for me a tremendous amount of money for one track, because on the A side is the stereo version and on the B side is the mono version. And there's also an original price tag on it, which says, I hope you can see that, $2.50. I paid $50 for it. And last night I checked that and it's now over 100. Over $100. This is the Discogs price. Some of you might know that the pricing on Discogs is sometimes absolutely out of range. But anyway, and it's a little robbed, yeah. So the A side is not really playable. I could flat that. I'll do that sometime, and then it's fine again. Next one is a single I paid a little more for, around $100. The reason I bought this was I had the chance to send this to Gwen Owens. Gwen Owens was one part of the group Hot, who had a big hit in 1977 with Angel in Your Arms. And she's a fantastic singer. She has a great voice. I love all of her recordings. So I bought this one and I looked it up on Discogs, and it's now between 250 and 300 euro. Well, yeah, okay. On the B side is One More Day. I just listened to it. It's a great song. You can find it on YouTube. And Make Him Mine. If you have the chance to find the singles in the dollar bin or somewhere, go and grab it. Usually I'm trying to present you with albums which are affordable, and you can have the experience of listening to good music for a decent price. What's going on lately is absolutely insane. I wanted to buy or to get hold of Billie Holiday's album Lady in Satin. I like that record very much. The first pressing mono. Usually this record has been sold for about 170 euro, which is the absolute, it's an absolutely maximum I would pay for. That's the maximum I would pay for it. But ask me when it's in front of me. But now, last year was 170. Now you pay about 400. I'm not buying a record for 400 euro. It's, like I said, it's insane. So, then we have, from one of my favorite groups, from the group Hot, I just talked about that, a single from 1982. you can get that for 10 to 20 bucks, and it's a great single. And Hot had to leave their label because it was sort of a bigger company, and anyway they ended up at Broadwalk. And when the owner of Broadwalk died in the beginning of the 80s, they were without a record company, so they never released the stuff they did. And Tonight and the Nights Are Not Enough, I'll show you this on the A side. Tonight, you can find that on YouTube as well to listen to. And the Nights, I'm sorry, and the Nights Are Not Enough, you hardly find that on YouTube. Sometimes you find the video and then it's been gone again. It's a great single, and I asked Juanita, who co-wrote also the songs, if there's some more material they recorded at that time, and there was, and it's also been shown on this channel. So if you would like to have a listen to what the album might have sounded like, you can do that on my channel. The quality, they were just demo recordings on simple cassettes, so sometimes the sound quality is not what you expected, but that has a nice vintage touch to it. So yeah, listen to this single, it's great and it's affordable. And the last one was once again a thing where I had to make a decision, now or never. Randy Brown was at a soul festival and he was signing some stuff, and I saw the single in a record booth, and I was like, this was about 120 euro, and I was like, oh no way. But he was there, he could sign it, and so I made the decision to buy it. When I checked Discogs, this single is now again also around 200 euro. It was released in 1978 on the Parachute label. I hope I spelled that correct. This is the sleeve, simple as that, and this is the record. It's an outstanding single because both tracks belong to his best recordings. And this is on the, let me see, what's on the A side? What's on the A side? I think on the A side, no, that's not the A side. I'm sorry guys, I can't tell you exactly now what's the A side. But anyway, on this side is I'd Rather Hurt Myself Than to Hurt You. A beautiful, beautiful ballad. And the other one is I'm Always in the Mood, which is a nice, soul, funky almost song. So both songs are available on YouTube, on Spotify, wherever you want to listen to it, and you can make yourself an impression of these. So this was a selection of 5. Like otherwise I could have spent some hours with you discussing singles, where I got them, how I bought them, what they mean to me and why they mean that to me, but this could take like forever, and I don't think you would like to watch that all the way. So I hope I could answer your questions about the 45s, and like I said, I might do record cleaning videos, so I show you some example before and after, and why I choose the record cleaning machine I have. We'll see. But anyway, if you have questions, leave a comment, send me an email. You know how to contact me, and thanks for watching. I'm wishing you a great week. All the best to you. Listen to good music, stay safe and healthy. Until next time, bye.